Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best platforms where you can make money through commissions. Whether you're a freelancer, affiliate marketer, or just looking for a side hustle, these platforms can help you earn extra income. Let's get. First up, we have Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace where you can offer your services starting at $5. But did you know you can also make money through signing up for Fiverr's affiliate program is simple. Just head to their affiliate page, sign up, and start sharing your unique referral links. It's a great way to monetize your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Next on the list is PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a powerful platform that connects you with various SaaS companies offering affiliate programs. You can promote software products you love and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated. Refer. The best part about PartnerStack is the variety of programs available, from marketing tools to project management software. There's something for everyone. Plus, their dashboard makes it easy to track your earnings and performance. Another fantastic platform is GetResponse. Known for its email marketing services, GetResponse also offers a lucrative affiliate program. You can earn up to 33% recurring commissions for every customer you refer. GetResponse is perfect for those in the digital marketing space. Their tools are highly valuable for businesses, making it easier to convince your audience to sign up. Just join their affiliate program, get your links, and start promoting. Finally, we have Temu. Temu is an emerging platform that allows you to earn commissions by promoting a wide range of products. It's a great option for influencers and bloggers looking to diversify their income streams. Temu offers competitive commission rates and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to find products that resonate with your audience. Plus, their support team is always ready to help you maximize your earnings. So there you have it. Fiverr, PartnerStack, GetResponse, and Temu. 4 amazing platforms that can help you make money through commissions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy earning!